What's going on, everybody? I'm Gary B. Jr., and today we're going to talk about a powerful feature in FreeShow that you might not have known about. This is called toggle focus mode. All right. And so you've already gotten everything set up for the service or the meeting that you're going to be presenting for. You've got all your shows arranged in your project. You've got all your section headers set up and everything else. And you're done editing your show. You've gone in and you've edited everything. You've got everything lined up the way you need it to be. You set up all your stage displays and all that stuff is ready to go. And you've already added all the overlays you need, all the music that you want, all the actions you need to drag onto your show. Everything is ready. The next thing to do is just start the service. And so once the service begins, you can go up to the top to view and select the option that says toggle focus mode. And what ends up happening is it alleviates any room for you to go up to the top and edit. It removes all the wording down at the bottom for the templates and the media and the scriptures and things like that. They're still accessible through an icon, but it alleviates the distraction of seeing those words. And now all you have to do is go through your show. You can use your arrow keys to the right to go through each part. I'm gonna skip down and go to this next to last slide. And then I get to the next part and it automatically jumps you to that part of the show. And when you arrow to the right, it shows that first slide of the show. All right, and we'll go down to the last part of this show and it does the same thing. This one has two parts. So 2 lines here for our lower thirds that we've got. When I hit it again, it fills in the next 2 lines. And then I arrow down and it brings me into the next show. All right, this is the sermon part of the show. And when I arrow to the right, it automatically switches to that first slide in the sermon. And you would arrow through and you would see everything as needed as you go through the show. And all you would do, or your volunteer will need to do, is use the arrow keys to go through each slide individually. And then once service is over, you can go back up to the top and select the option for view and then hit toggle focus mode one more time. And it brings you into the splash page or the main page of FreeShow, and your show is still here. You're still in your same project, and you can go in and you can make any changes, update things that needed to be changed and things like that. All right. So hopefully this is a useful tool for you and your team. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used this or ever heard about this feature down below. All right. Thanks again and have a great rest of the day. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped you in a major way. Now, at this point, most people would ask you to like and subscribe, and I think that's great, but my goal is a little bit different. My goal is to empower as many people as possible all over the globe. And there's one way that you can really help me do that, and that is to leave a comment below with a question, a thought, how this video may have helped you, or things that were left out that you still have questions about, and to share this video with someone just like you, someone who is looking for answers, someone who's curious and wants to grow. With your help, I believe we can build a community of people that want to grow together. So until next time, God bless.